Hello friends, in this video we will talk about how we can use the multiple statement in the Lambda expression with the example. So let's use this. How we can write, this is the syntax of the Lambda expression. Here we are passing the string type of parameter, and here we are creating str1 hello and string str2 str1 plus name. This name we are using, and now returning the str2. So these are the multiple statement we have written using the Lambda expression, and this is the returning the string type. So we have the functional interface is a string type, abstract method, so person p person, and just need to call person dot say, and here we need to pass the word hello world. Right, let's run this. Here we can see hello world. So in this way we can write the multiple statement in the Lambda expression. So this is the functional interface person. Also we can use it's a functional annotation, functional interface annotation, to identify this is the interface as a functional interface. Functional interface means only the one abstract method. Abstract method means does not provide the implementation. Let's run this. We will see the same result. So it's an optional whether you want to use, or it's one developer choice. So other developer can easily find out which interface is the functional interface. So that's it from this video. In the next video we will talk about the Java Lambda expression example by creating the thread. That's it from this. Thanks for watching.